Get one nice big scoop. Ooh.
Yes, sir.
Ooh, the creaminess.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. We have a lake over here. There's also 2 zip lines up there. So if you hear people cheering, it is because there's 2 zip lines that people can go from. Whenever people pass, they like wave to us. It's pretty funny.
What's up, guys? So we are here at Unicoi State Park.
It's his birthday.
It's my birthday today.
You guys know that we have partnered with Sips By, which is a monthly tea subscription service. You pay $15 a month and they send you 4 sets of teas from 4 different companies to try. You fill out a survey when you first sign up with them.
That was pretty cool to fill it out.
Yeah, you answer all these different questions about like what kind of things you like, like what flavors you like, and they basically customize. Every month they customize a box to you, and then at the end of the month, once you've tried them, then you kind of like update and let them know if you liked it and stuff like that.
You can keep getting the same teas if you want, or you can switch it out, whatever you want to do. Like, they have a giant variety from different brands that you can try out.
Actually, it's one of the teas from last time, I looked them up and they have like this chakra tea. Like I'm just like really looking forward to trying them out. Remember I told you all about it?
You hear the whistling in the background right now?
Oh yeah, that's our kettle, because no matter how hot it is, my mom is in town and she is Trinidadian, we're Trinidadian, my husband is Guyanese. We are tea drinking people. So it doesn't matter how hot it is, my mom is drinking some tea. So I figured that I would have her try out some of the tea from our Sips By box for the month. And so he did.
For a large one like this one, you do need 2 people.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay.
I had my son hold it up for me while I put it up.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we figured we would have her try out some of the teas with us today. This is our June box. If you guys check out this link here, you'll see what we got in our May box. Okay, so
June teas.
Oh, you can already smell it.
Smells good.
Made for Crystal.
Oh, you got your flavors on there too.
Gosh. I've been wanting one of these guys. They sent me the little, it's one of those muslin cloth tea bags. What happened?
What happened?
But yes, so you can put your loose teas. These are the disposable tea bags, and then this is the reusable tea bag that you can use for the loose tea.
I think these are loose.
Oh wow! The first tea is a cacao tea,
and this is
and this one is by Cacao. Next tea that we have, Ruby Boost. If you watched our video last time, we were really excited because we had no idea what Ruby Boost was, and we still kind of don't. But smell that.
No, but it tasted good though. It tasted real good, that Ruby Boost.
Actually, really looking forward to trying this with a little bit of agave and some ice. Y'all know how I do with my iced tea. And this one is by My Red Tea. Ooh.
Oh, what you got here?
Ooh.
Tea Fiore?
Tea Fiore.
Look at how pretty that is. Look at those colors.
This is what's really smelling up the whole bag.
It's got purple, green, orange, red.
That's pretty.
That is gorgeous.
And then finally we have a moringa tea from Miracle Tree, and this one is a blueberry. So yeah, I'm really excited to try out all of these teas. The card, like we told you last time, gives you instructions on exactly how long to steep each of the teas. The water is ready. We're gonna pop the tea bags in, and then I'm gonna prepare my iced tea, and then my mom is gonna drink. I think she's gonna have hot tea because that's just what moms do. That's what Caribbean moms. They love their tea. They love their tea. Okay, for the loose tea, I measured out a little bit more than a teaspoon into the disposable bag, and then I just kind of pull the drawstring a little bit, and
like so. There you go. You got a closed up tea bag there.
I don't know if you can see that, but that is the cacao tea. It smells amazing. I can't wait to try this. All right. Okay, this is my mom. I'm going to put the name of the tea that she's trying down below. Mom, go ahead and try it, and then give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Tea expert of 60-something years. Thumbs up, thumbs down. It's all right. Honesty, that raw honesty. Okay. Mookie is about to try his tea. I'm going to put the name of the tea down below. Thumbs up, thumbs down. What do you like about it?
Tastes a little bit like chocolate milk.
Did you put anything in it? You put agave?
Yeah.
Nice. Would you have it again?
Yeah.
Mom, would you have your tea again?
Yeah.
Would you put something in it first?
Less water.
Oh, less water. Okay.
Sorry.
Willen, taste your tea.
All right.
I'll put the name down below. Okay, hasn't come up for air yet.
Sorry, I had to take a big gulp just to get all the layers.
Okay.
And the flavors.
All right.
And the body.
Battery's running low.
Tea. But I think I'd give it a thumbs up.
Would you get it again?
As you guys saw, our battery died, so I am on a new camera now, and I would definitely get it again. And now Chris is going to try her tea.
Okay, I'm about to try my tea. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. First taste, it tasted like the way Vicks Vaporub smells. But the second sip, because I don't have anything in it, I can imagine a little squeeze of lime, some agave, and this poured over ice. It'd be really, really nice, and maybe like as like a icy kind of iced tea. But yeah, definitely need a bit of lemon to bring the flavors out. But I would definitely try this again. It's very strong. That's it for our reviews.
Alright guys, so that was the review, and as you can see, some of them were a hit and some of them not quite.
Not so much.
Not so much. But Mookie really liked the cacao tea, and he even suggested that we make an ice cream out of it. So here we are, because we like to do the crazy things that our kids ask us to do. So today we are going to make tea-infused chocolate ice cream? Cacao ice cream?
Cacao ice cream?
No. If you click this link in the corner right here, you're gonna see that Chris actually has a chocolate ice cream recipe, but we also found a tea-infused ice cream recipe online, but it's not vegan. So what Chris decided to do is combine the two, and we're gonna bring that recipe to you today. We're testing this out, so if you see this right now, you know what that means.
It's a bomb!
Now, you'll see in that video that I just mentioned that Chris used a coconut condensed milk, which by the way, that recipe is hands down my favorite chocolate ice cream. I have her make it all the time. And I always tell her she needs to sell it.
No.
But then I think about it and I'm like, no, that's less ice cream for me. So that's not happening. But anyway, that coconut condensed milk is actually from a company called Nature's Charm. And they were actually the first sweetened coconut condensed milk in the world.
Period.
And they were nice enough to send us out some products to try out from their company. And that's what we're using today to make this ice cream. But in another video, we're going to show you guys some of their other products that they sent us, and the kids are actually going to try them out, and you know, it's going to be a lot of fun, and I know you guys will tune in for that, right?
You tuned in.
You tuned in, all right? All right, so today we're going to be using their coconut whipping cream, as well as their sweetened coconut condensed milk, which I just mentioned.
So good. My sister, when that shipment came from them, she was like, oh, this is the company, because she loves their condensed milk in like a creamer.
And like as a creamer, you can put it in your tea, your coffee, whatever you want to do. Actually, in the Caribbean, that's what they use. They use condensed milk in tea. So this is, if you're vegan and you're from the Caribbean, you need to get you this right here.
Nature's Charm,
This right here. All right? All right, so let's get into this recipe for that cacao tea-infused ice cream. Shout out to all the great aunts.
Shout out to your aunts. But yeah, my grandfather's sister, Tanti Mari, back in Trinidad, she had cocoa trees, and we would literally go and pick the plant and eat the chocolate like straight from the plant. Like that was my first memory of eating chocolate.
Like this,
that's what. No. But no, that's why I'm like, I have such like high, like, you know, you're always like, yo, you a chocolate snob. But yeah, that's why.
Yeah, because we picking the finest. She be tasting the finest chocolates. I'm like, yo, where do you find this at, man? It's some regular vegan chocolate, man.
But yeah, man. Yeah, it's gotta have a certain, you know,
knowing all the percentages and all that stuff.
Oh yeah.
70%.
70%.
It was some chocolate. All right, so we let it chill for 2 hours. So now we're going to pour our mixture into the ice cream maker and let it churn for about 15 minutes.
Okay guys, we've had this ice cream maker for 1.5 years now and we absolutely love it. We are going to put a link to it in the description box below.
All right, so as you can see, the ice cream is done. And right now we're just putting it in this container. Gonna put it in the freezer for a little longer just to get a little bit more hard. All right guys, so the moment you've all been waiting for. I'm not a master scooper, so don't judge me.
Ooh. Get one nice big scoop. Ooh.
Yes, sir.
Ooh, the creaminess.
Yes. Put that bad boy in.
There you go.
All right, so that is scoop 1. Look at that.
Go ahead and do the taste test. Yeah? Wow.
My God, this is tea?
Oh, that's pretty.
This is delightful.
Let's make this again.
Guys, obviously for the purposes of the video, we made a small batch, but we will be making this ice cream again so that the kids could try it. And we'll make a much larger batch. I think if you guys make this, you will enjoy it because this is so tasty.
It's delicious. Make sure you'll watch this video all the way to the end because there's a giveaway. But for that video coming up with the kids taste testing the ice cream, there's going to be a very appropriate giveaway for that. Tea-infused cocoa ice cream. Tea-infused. Tea-infused. Tea-infused.
This is my cocoa ice cream face.
Tea-infused. Tea-infused. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at the, come on, let's see the outfit. Come on. Let me see the sunglasses and the boots. Oh wow. Ooh. Okay, you just woke up? Oh wow. Let me see the boots. Let me see your boots. You got the boots. You got the boots. Oh, ooh.
All right, guys. So that is the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share.
And for those of you who watched all the way to the end of the video, thank you so much. Thank you for all of your support. We do have a giveaway. We are giving away 1 free month of Sips By so that you can try out some teas your own self. If you are interested, leave a comment below just saying what your current favorite brand of tea is or type of tea.
Yes.
That's it.
That's all you gotta do. And our subscribers are gonna stay winning all summer long. Till next time, don't forget to drink your almond milk.
Drink your almond milk. Zip up your coat.
And order your Sips By.